little train. Wow, your train looks great. Let's set off. Welcome aboard BabyBus train. I'm your captain, Kiki. The train is about to start. Let's set off. The sand is blocking the way. Let's clear the track. Good job! Let's continue on our way! We have arrived at the freight station! Let's load the goods! We have arrived at the freight station! Let's load the goods onto the train! Good job! Let's continue on our way! Cargo handling mission accomplished! Let's head for the next station! We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. Hi! Here is my train ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let's find them out. Firecrackers. Knife. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Firecrackers. Scissors. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Hammer. Lighter. Thank you. The passengers are on board. Keep going. We have arrived at the inspection station! Let's check the train. The train is dirty. Let's give it a good clean. You're awesome! Let's keep going. The train has been maintained. Let's continue on our journey. There's a barrier up ahead. Let's raise the barrier. Good job. Let's continue on our way. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get off the train. Hi! Hi! Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, BabyBus little train. Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, BabyBus train. Hi, we're about to go on BabyBus. Here's my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Hammer. Lighter. Thank you. Here's my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Lighter. Scissors. Thank you.